tutorial on how to graph a line within Microsoft Word. So you are looking at my computer screen, and it is my school computer, so you should be able to do everything that I'm doing on your computer. So I'm going to graph this inequality, y is less than x minus 2. So for me to get the line that I need, I am going to go up to my top toolbar, and you have File, Home, and Insert. So I'm going to click on Insert, and then I'm going to go over to Shapes, and when I click on Shapes, I can see that I have a line right here. So I'm going to select this line, this double arrow line. Okay, so when you see the plus sign, that means you're in drawing mode. You just need to draw your line. But we need to make sure that we place it in the right spot. So if I'm going to graph this line, I know that my y-intercept is -2. So I'm going to go down to -2. And I know that my slope is 1. So my rise is 1 and my run is 1. So I'm going to click, and I'm going to keep clicking on my mouse. I'm going to hold it down as I create my line. So I'm going to go up 1 over 1. Up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, until my line is all the way off the graph. Okay? I'm going to do the same thing in the other direction. So I'm going to continue the pattern backwards by going down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, until I am off the page. Okay? Now you might be looking at that line and you might be thinking, that's not really visible. I want it to be a little bit darker. And in this case, because it's an inequality and it's not equal to, that line also needs to be dotted. So I'm going to select the line by just clicking on it. And you'll see that all of these different features come up where you can do different things to your line. So I'm going to be going to this shape outline. And I'm going to click on it, and this drop-down menu pops up, and I want my line to be black. Okay? Still not exactly what I need it to be. I need it to be dotted. So I'm going to go down to where it says dashes, and I'm going to select the dotted line. And I still don't think that that's good enough for me. So if you don't want it to look that thin, you can go down to weight, and you can make it a little thicker. Okay? Just easier to see that way. Okay, so there's your line. So if you were just graphing a line, you would be done. But because this is an inequality, we also need to shade. So in order to shade, I'm going to go back up to that same insert tool, and I'm going to go back to shapes. And if you look at lines all the way over to the right, I see this little scribble. I'm going to select that because I want to scribble and shade in where I'm supposed to. Okay. For a less than, I need to shade below. So I'm going to shade below the line, and I'm just going to put my cursor, my little plus sign below the line, click, and a little pencil pops up. And I'm just going to hold down the button as I continue to color this area. Now, this is an art class. We are not Pablo Picasso. This is sufficient to show the shaded region. Okay. If that doesn't work for you and you want to change the color of your shading, you are more than welcome to do that. I think I'm going to make it, I don't want to make it yellow. Let's make it bright blue. So I'm going to make it bright blue. And I'm going to go back up to shape outline, and I'm going to change it so that it's thicker than that. And there you go. There is your tutorial on how to graph within Microsoft Word. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.